This guy was driving on a highway when a road rager just come off and starting brake checking him multiple times. Yeah, he was doing that. And then he slammed on his brakes and drive slowly on purpose when the trucker is driving slow too. What a complete bozo. Driving slow on purpose. And then the road rager pulls over and the trucker pulls over also. Yeah. And then he comes to a complete stop on the shoulder and then he gets out to confront the trucker. What a reckless jerk. I hope he gets caught by the police.